Okay, I had already taped it again, and I deleted it, because I'm thinking we're going to get something even better than what I got on my one I just deleted. I'll explain myself as soon as I get in here. Okay, so. Oh, there they are. See? Oh, crap. What did I just do? Sorry about that. Oh, man. I screwed that up. I didn't set my mouse. Oh, man. Hopefully you saw it. So, what I was getting at, dang it, is this. Off these are all little tiny crafts. All those little dots and balls are crafts. I swear to you they are. They really, truly are. And they ride along this. You'll see them flying here, flying there, and then riding along these. I did delete it, but hey, like I said, I thought I'd get something better, and I just didn't want to give you that one piece. I was hoping I'd get more. So I came back, and hopefully we'll get it again. But that's exactly, oh, now, alright. I'm going to try not to mess this up. They're getting active. They're everywhere, see? Everywhere. Oh. See? See? Do you see them coming off the line? Got to be just patient and wait, and they do it. They just do it. I still don't know what these lines are. I just don't. And while we're here, it's probably happening. Something was up there. It's probably happening somewhere else on the screen that I'm not focused on. But I have to go back and forth because some of them are larger than others. I believe, ooh, I don't know. Well, if it was a bird, it would have went out the other side. I don't. Did you see a bird come out that side? You let me know it. I don't know. Oh, look. Did you see that? Oh. That's not a bird. Not at all. And it keeps going up and up and up. See? Can't believe I kept up with that one. Alright, let's go back down. We're probably missing more. This is what I was hoping, to get it a little more active and you'd be able to see it. And it's working. Okay, one was over here. Oh, there. Oh, it's fast. Alright, we're going to try to keep up. This time I'm going to try not to mess it up. You just never know. You never know. So, the most active ones are the lines that are breaking up. Because, like, each one of these are cracked. Every one of them. And they'll ride the lines, fly on and off of them, fly across the sky, which you saw. There's one. We'll see if you can see that, if it does anything. Disappeared, but hey. Just keep watching. They're absolutely rare. We just have to be in the right place at the right time. And they seem to be heading toward the source. Oh! There. See? Tell me you see that. Okay. Alright. And you'll see glitter. You'll see, yeah, you'll see glitter. No other way to put that. Glitter's glitter. Flashes and glitter. That was on the one I threw away also, but hey, we'll get it again. I'm sure of it. We've got our whole future to follow these things around and see what they're up to. And how everything is evolving. And one day we'll figure out what these lines are, since I have no idea. Patience, for sure. I'm focused more up here because when they're breaking up is where you get the most activity. It's like they're coming apart for a reason, so they could take flight or something. They're not tight like these ones are. Man, I would love to know what these lines are. I really would. Oh, there's one. See it? It went up here. I'm sure you saw it. After this, I think we're done with FLEAS. I'm going to go on to something else. I just really wanted to show you that it's more than one or two and that they're happening all the time. And that I think I figured out that when they come apart is when they start taking flight. This is what watching the patterns do, you know. It kind of lets you have a, ooh, that's probably a bird there. But, yeah. I was going somewhere with that until I saw that bird. And I don't know where I was going with it. Oh, there you go. Mm-hmm. They just happen a lot more than what we think. They're just everywhere. I always said that when I was in New Zealand and Tanzania, watching them in the clouds by the thousands, continually. And I was always afraid no one could. Ah, man. This happens all the time. Does anyone else have channels like this? Does anyone else... Ooh, there's one. Does anyone else do it? Do this kind of weirdness that I do? Did you see that? I'm telling you, man, they're everywhere. Oh, dang it. I just missed whatever was there. I messed that up. Sorry. It was right in here. And you can see it. So there's something to do with this arch and the energy from the simulator. And like I said, that stainless steel, I haven't done any research on anything about that physics-wise. Wish I could see more at once. I'd stop the video until I saw something, but the thing is these things move so fast, by the time I got the video going again, I wouldn't be able to, I'd have missed it. There you go. Half the stuff I don't believe is birds. Trust me, I don't. These things that I've been showing you are not birds. Okay. If that disappears or rides the line, if it rides the line, ooh, well, it doesn't look like a plane or a helicopter. It's a ball. It's a dot. It's dark. And I can't go over anymore. Dang it. Now this one's getting some distortion around it, like it could be getting ready to do something. That's what they look like, kind of. Oh, there's one. It came off. Oh, now it's gone. It should have been up here more. Huh. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, well, we're going to have a long video filled with fleas. I wouldn't have it any other way. Hope you're all having a great night, and you don't mind this strangeness I'm bringing to you. Looks like it's out of a scary movie, don't it? Good thing we're not scared of cats. There you go. See that? Trying to keep up with it. Okay, it went into this line. Okay. You guys will be pretty fleed out by the time this video's done. And I don't have to come back and show them to you again. You've got a dose of it, so you got an idea of what it looks like. This is the stuff I never uploaded till recently. So, because it was just too ridiculous. I believe a couple of these things could be birds, but birds usually don't disappear or fly into the arch or one of the lines. You know what I mean? Look at that. Isn't that something? Alright, I'm going to get back in. Oh, man. Why does it do that? Oh, there's one. See it? Oh, man. That one was good. Oh, there's another one.